Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing QuMatix.com. So if you don't know what this is, they basically claim to automate your investment on QuMatix. So it is a smart tool to help traders of any level make more profits. So basically, it helps you with your trades and when to trade or when to sell or when to buy. And right here, they have it on Google Play and on the App Store on Apple. And as you can see, if you're wondering if this is legit, I found this article right here in QuMatix.com, which is a disclaimer saying that QuMatix operates as an unregulated entity, engaging in trading through automated bots carries inherent risks, and is essential to recognize the historical performance does not guarantee future outcomes. The profit figures presented by the product visuals are illustrative and may not reflect actual results. The profit figures displayed on the website should not be considered indicative of the future performance. We strongly advise that only individuals with sufficient expertise consider bot trading or alternatively seek guidance from a qualified or financial advisor or professionals who are well versed in your specific circumstances. So as you can see here, they have this disclaimer right here. While claiming to be one of the best to automate your investment on QuMatix, so they claim to set up trading a robot in 5 minutes. So why would they advertise this much when they claim that it is not that good in the first place? So they said it themselves. It is also an unregulated entity since they actually claim the risks of it. $10,000 on demo account. Try out the robot. That is too good to be true. $10,000 is too good to be true. So how would they give $10,000 on your account if you're just starting out? So this app is very shady, and what it does and what it features very contradictive on their disclaimer and what they claim right here. And yeah, that is basically it. So please stay away from this app. It is very shady and very confusing, and it may result in you compromising your money and your information. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.